Hello viewers, welcome to the channel SKU Info. Now, as you are aware of, that Apple kicks off the Worldwide Developers Conference 2021 event with the iOS 15 announcement. Moreover, the iOS 15 announced will bring improvement to Apple Map, FaceTime, iMessage and more. The iOS 15 software comes packed with several advanced features than ever before. In the announcement, it has been said the latest iOS iteration will bring update to the FaceTime, iMessage, Apple Maps, weather, photos and much more. Now the iOS 15 makes FaceTime calls more natural and live like than ever before. Now the FaceTime gets a spatial audio that ensures people are better connected than ever. In the last iteration, the iOS brings video features to the FaceTime, such as portrait mode, which blurs the background and puts the focus on the user's face. You can now generate links for FaceTime calls and send across to your friends and families. Interestingly, the FaceTime calls can be joined by Android and other device users as well, but only via the web, which is the iOS 15, which also brings the SharePlay to the FaceTime calls, which basically allows you to listen together, watch together and also share the screen. The iOS 15 brings a new look to the notification as well. Apple has introduced notification summary, which basically provides a gist of what's happening in the day, so that you don't need to go through each and every message you receive and save some time. Moreover, Apple also announced a do not disturb mode with which you can mute all notifications, a feature really needed when you are at work. With the iOS 15 also comes the focus mode, which allows user to focus on either on their personal life or work or another. So if you are at work, you can choose work in the focus mode and gets you only work updates such as emails and more. You can also set the timing, for instance, no work after 9 p.m. and more. So Apple provides some options and there are always to customize this focus mode as well. Now iOS 15 also brings features such as live text. It works in a way that when you point the camera at the text, it gets highlighted and you can select, copy and paste it elsewhere. Live text use a deep neural network to scan photos across the entire system, including photos on the web. It supports 7 languages as of now. The iOS 15 also brings Spotlight Universal Search, which can basically search for photos in the photo collection. iOS 15 also have introduced updates for Memories feature. Interestingly, now Memories will add Apple Music automatically in the Memories video and makes it more lively than ever before. In the latest iteration of the iOS also brings new updates to the wallet and the weather. The weather app gets redesigned and more current conditions are to be featured. Lastly, the Apple Maps get new improvements. With the iOS 15, Maps get driving mode, which provides you with more details with respect to your roads, such as bus lanes and more. Now with the announcement of iOS 15, which Apple has revealed in the event, and I mentioned that the Android and the Windows users will now be able to join FaceTime calls. So it's very clear that Apple now wants to take on Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Now FaceTime has always been limited only to iPhone users or people who have been in the Apple ecosystem, either has been using a MacBook or iPad among the various devices. The FaceTime here will work more like a Zoom or a Skype or a Google Meet video conferencing platform. Now iPhone users basically will be able to generate links, FaceTime calls and share with the Android and the Windows users. These Android or Windows users will be able to join the FaceTime call only via the web without the need to log in with their details. Now that's going to be an interesting feature to use, especially at the time when the video calls are the only means to connect with friends and families or family members during this pandemic. Now, additionally, the tech giant has also announced a number of other FaceTime updates that will be launched together with the iOS 15, such as the new grid view option, a voice isolation feature, improved sound quality, spatial audio support, portrait mode, and much more. So let's come to the final point. When will your iPhone get the iOS 15 software update? Now, with the release date of the iOS 15 is yet to be revealed, we expect that the official rollout of the latest iteration of this iOS to happen once the iPhone 13 series goes official. If rumors are considered, the upcoming iPhone flagship series will go official possibly in the month of September. The date again remains a mystery. With the iOS 15 software, Apple brings a host of new features for iMessage, FaceTime, Apple Map, and much more. Now, Apple iPhone 6s and above models will get the test of the new iOS 15 software version. So this is all about the announcement made by Apple in the Worldwide Developers Conference 2021. If you have liked the video, please do share and subscribe. Moreover, videos relating to tech information, product specification, product comparison, and product review, you will get updated information from this channel. So would request viewers to be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you, take care.